Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Guys, I'm going to be using my Juvias Zulu palette to create this look. So first I'm going to go in with the yellow shade as my transition shade. I'm going to blend that on my eyelids, and then I'm going to go in with the orange shade and use that in my crease. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to use that to do a half cut crease, and then I'm going to go in with the purple shade and put it all over that clean canvas, and then add this little pink shimmer shade at the top, and yeah. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black, and I'm going to use that to do a wing. Then add some purple chunky glitter to the front part of the cut crease. I went ahead and did my foundation off camera, so now I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour my face so that I look all snatched. So I went ahead and set my highlighted and contoured areas and also did my highlighter. So now I'm going to add my lippies, which is my brown lip liner, along with my NYX Lingerie lip combo. And now for the final touches to my look, I'm going to go ahead and add some Victoria's Secret lip gloss. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.